Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're diving into how to make money blogging with our step-by-step guide to starting a profitable blog. Let's get started. Blogging is a powerful way to share your passion and generate income. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you start a profitable blog. Choose your niche. Focus on a topic you're passionate about and that has an audience. Select a blogging platform. Use platforms like WordPress or Blogger to set up your blog. Get a domain and hosting. Invest in a custom domain and reliable hosting service to give your blog a professional touch. Create quality content. Write engaging, informative posts that provide value to your readers. Drive traffic. Use SEO, social media, and email marketing to attract visitors to your blog. Monetize your blog. Implement strategies like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products. Engage with your audience. Build a community by responding to comments and interacting with your readers. Check out the full article below. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for